Governor Mike Pence says a change in leadership is needed at the state agency that administers services for some of the neediest Hoosiers. Pence and legislative leaders are reacting to the resignation of the Secretary of Indiana Family and Social Services. Our TV6's Katie Hines is live for us now with details. Katie.
Todd, at least one state lawmaker is concerned about the timing of FSSA Director Debra Minott's departure. Her departure comes 2 weeks before a critical deadline for the state to submit paperwork for its uninsured program for low-income Hoosiers, and Minott had been helping lead that effort.
This transition, whatever it's going to be, is coming at a really awkward time, and I think it's very important that we hear from the governor, what's happened, why.
Governor Mike Pence isn't elaborating on the circumstances of Minott's departure other than to say this.
As we move into a number of different challenges, more of an implementation phase on a number of policies, we just came to the conclusion that a new direction would be helpful and supportive.
One of those policies is the Healthy Indiana Plan. It's a state-run plan that would offer health care coverage for an estimated 350,000 low-income residents. But the state still needs to obtain approval from the federal government to implement the program. The deadline to submit paperwork is June 30th.
We'll be able to work closely with Secretary Minott and her successor when they're named to make sure that there's no disruption of any of the operations or services of FSSA, which is an enormously important agency.
Pence says he's confident the state can move forward with the waiver request without disruption. Another Republican leader agrees.
It's not about one person. Whoever is at the helm of FSSA, it's about the program. So I don't really think that impacts it in any way.
FSSA Secretary Debra Minott led a public meeting on the Healthy Indiana Plan yesterday, just hours before confirming she'd resign her position. In a statement, she says she has appreciated the opportunity to serve the agency and taxpayers for the past 17 months, and she'll be transitioning out of her role during the next month. The governor says he's going to take his time filling the position. And it's unclear how much time that might take, but Democrat Gail Reekin tells us that her concerns stretch beyond the Healthy Indiana Plan and its future. She points to other services that the FSSA administers, including the pre-K pilot. Reporting live at the State House, Katie Hines, RTV6.